Today, I'm going to be showing you how to use the AI image generator, which is a neat tool, and you can use it for lots of things, from editing videos or pranking your friends or just making funny images to share or turn into memes or who knows. Let's jump right into it. To get started, all you're going to need is either a phone or a computer, and go to the website Bith.AI. Create an account or sign in if you already have one, and then we're going to hop over to the editor and I'm going to walk you through it. All right, so we're in the editor now, and to get started, all you're going to do is click on this tool, give it a prompt. We'll just give it a really simple one, like a mouse. I don't know if it's a computer mouse, don't know if it's an animal. We're just going to say mouse. We'll leave the aspect ratio at 3:2, and let's go through and choose a style. I want to go with fantasy art, and we're going to click generate. Now, in just a moment, we're going to have an image here. There it is right now. So it went with a little furry creature rather than a computer mouse. You can now download it, or you can go ahead and just create a new image. I'm just going to go ahead and generate a new image. The more you tell the AI, the better results you're going to get. Sometimes it still can be a little wonky, but for the most part, you can get exactly what you want. The more detail you add, the more specificity that you give the AI, the better the result's going to be. So we're going to come up with something a little more in depth. It's a little wild and wacky. Redneck man on the moon, sitting in a lawn chair, drinking beer and watching NASCAR in front of his double wide trailer with an American flag hanging from the awning while his wife mows the lawn on an old riding lawnmower in the background. Let's see what we get with this. I am going to go with cinematic, and we're going to click generate image, and here we go. Yeah, so we're on Earth. There's a little hapless, genderless, faceless blob here on an old mower, kind of what I was thinking. He's got a big glass of beer and he's sitting in his lawn chair. And he's looking up at the moon instead of watching NASCAR. So I was hoping for something a little bit funnier here, but it's a good example of what you can get. And once you play with it a little bit and you get used to how the prompts are interpreted by the AI, you can definitely get better with it. Or just try and keep it simple. It does really well with simple, straightforward stuff. I'll just show you here. This one, the prompt I gave it was red Mercedes sports car on a country road in the fall at sunset. Now, the part it omitted here was in the fall. It's a little green, a stellar, fantastic, and just really impressive photo there. So that's the Bith.AI image generator tool. It is fantastic. It gives great results. Like all AI, it can be a little finicky. Keep that in mind, you know, just play with it, tweak as you like. If you're looking rather than for images, you prefer video. I've done a lot of videos on this channel, so go ahead, check out those videos. I'm going to link one somewhere over here, and I'll see you guys in the next video. If you enjoyed this, found it helpful, if you like this tool, if you think it's interesting, if you enjoy the weird and wacky results that I got on a couple of them, go ahead and like the video. Comment down below. Let me know what prompts you would try, which prompts maybe I should have tried in this video. Which ones do you think would have been a little wackier or funnier? Share this with a friend, and I will see you in the next video.